Hello guys, welcome back to Fresh OB. In today's video, we'll talk about one more latest off-campus placement opportunity from Cognizant. So in this video, we'll discuss about all the qualifications required for the same, about the eligibility criteria, about the job description, the job location. So we'll talk about all these things in a detailed manner. So please don't skip the video in between and watch the video till the end to get a complete idea over this opportunity from Cognizant. So very firstly, we'll discuss about the company profile, that is Cognizant. So Cognizant is one of the world's leading professional services companies, transforming clients' business, operating and technology models for the digital era. So I'll provide the link for the same in the description box of the video, so you can just go and visit that link and read all the information they have mentioned here about the company. So I will put all the links in the description box below. So let's begin. So Cognizant is hiring for the position of a business associate, and the location of this job is Bangalore. So further talking about the qualifications, so they have mentioned here all the engineering and science graduates are eligible for this opportunity. And further talking about the responsibilities they have mentioned, so we'll go through all the things they have mentioned here one by one. So the very first thing is in responsibility, user story, epic grooming and sizing, understand user story and alignment to the features from product owner, identify new alternate features and recommend to the team, size user story in the area of work concern, track and report efforts estimated. So these are the things they have mentioned here in the qualification thing. And talking about the must-have skills, in skills one must know React.js, React.net and ASP.net. So these are the things they have mentioned here in skills. And further, in good to have skills, they have mentioned about .NET programming, .NET framework, SQL, ADO.NET. So these are the things in good to go section. And employee status is a contractor. That means this is a contract basis job, not a full-time opportunity. And the shift of the job is a day job, and there isn't any need of travel. And this job has been posted on 4th of Jan on the official Cognizant career page. If you are willing to apply for this opportunity from Cognizant, you can just go to the description box. There I have mentioned all the links required. You can just go and click here on the apply now button here. So after clicking here, you will be just redirected to the next page. So there you have to fill all the details about your personal information, your education qualifications, your scores, and finally you have to upload your CV. So by filling all this information and uploading your CV, you can apply for this opportunity from Cognizant. So I come up with this kind of openings on a regular basis, so please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you come across any type of queries, mention all those queries in the comment section below. I will reply to all your queries ASAP. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.